This is delicious.
Yum, yum. It's mango season again in Jamaica, and today we have with us the East Indian mango and also the Julie mango, also known as the St. Julian. So the East Indian mango was first introduced to Jamaica in the late 19th century, and it first bore fruit in 1880. Seeing the fact that I'm here right now, I'll be eating these mangoes. So come on, let me tell you more about the East Indian and the St. Julian mango. Mango time, Ivy, big up yourself. It is said that the East Indian mango is loved by everyone in Jamaica except my wife. I've been overseas on countless occasions, but guess what? Foreigners don't have the opportunity of having fresh fruits freshly picked and eaten. So I'm enjoying my tropical island right now, eating all these beautiful mangoes. It was thought that we should use our teeth and our fingers to peel these mangoes, and then we graciously sink our teeth inside the flesh. This is delicious, and this is one of the reasons I will never trade my country for another country. Persons, my subscribers who are watching me, and persons who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. The fructose content within these mangoes are at the very highest, trust me, I tell you. Very, very sweet. After having all of these, so sweet. My throat scratches right now. So, that was the East Indian. Now for the St. Julian, also known as the Julie mango. This is also flavorful. The thing with this, it has less string and it's more meaty. Let me show you what's going on. And it's very much okay when the juice is on your finger. It's very much okay for you to take the juice off your fingers by licking it. It's not gluttony. It's just the essence of the food. It's good. Mmm, delicious. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for tuning in with Neutral Vibes. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe one more time. Thank you very much.